Anyway, I think it's been great, but before I think we flag off this wonderful evening, the two lovely ladies here who are both looking fabulous have contributed humongously to Bahubali. I want to know your experience, Anushka, and what's it been like working with a veteran filmmaker?
This is my second movie with Rajamouli sir, and as he said, when we saw, after, of course, working with him in a second movie is again a dream come true. Yeah. And I didn't realize when I signed in for the movie, and I remember the first day when we went on set and stood there after listening to the script and listening to how big it was. Never realized how big it was till we stood on that set. We just were lost, you know, in terms of, now what do we speak, what do we say? Everything was so big. And then he's always been there to guide us and take us through it. So it's been an amazing journey. And again, I'm someone who always believed in fairy tales and things which are larger than life. And today, I've just seen the trailer. So again, I feel it's a shock to see stories that you read of and what you see as kids and as you're growing up in theaters, to be a part of something like that. And I'm actually looking forward to watch it myself.
and Tamanna, you've of course, I think working for the very first time. What was your experience?
Honestly, I couldn't even dream that I'm going to be working with Rajamouli sir. And when I came onto the film, they had already finished about 150 days of shooting. And when I went on, when I actually had gone to the set in RFC just to meet Rana and Sweetie, Anushka. So I just gone to say hello to my friends, and I met Shobhu sir there. And a few days later, I got signed on to Bahubali. For me, working with Rajamouli sir is a very special experience, not only because he's this amazing filmmaker who makes these big films and makes these amazing films, but the humble person he is and how easy he makes it for his actors to work with him. He actually makes the most difficult to shoot scenes and yet makes it so simple, and it looks like as if it's so approachable and so easy to do. And I've never been inspired by somebody. I didn't want to ever become like someone. I thought I was good enough like myself. But after seeing Rajamouli sir, I want to be like him. Not only in the department of how he, in his professional life, but in his personal life. The way he balances off his family with his work. For me, it's really, really inspiring, and a lesson that I have learned while working on Bahubali. And he's given me a character that I can't even imagine anybody else would imagine me in that kind of a character. It's special, it's memorable. It was challenging every day because it was physically challenging for me because I'd never done action sequences before. So, you know, supposing I have to fight Prabhas, you know how silly that my idea could look in my mind, because he's like a amazingly tall, handsome-looking young man, and I have to fight him. So that seemed quite not possible in my head, but of course, because it's Rajamouli sir, everything is possible. Prabhas, I've worked with him before in a film, and his pet name in the Telugu film industry is Darling, by the way, in case nobody knew. Now they know. He's called Darling by the entire film industry and by all his fans. And rightly like his name, he is extremely sweet. And there was one night I remember while I was about to go to shooting the next morning. I had to do some sword fighting, which like I felt like I was as good as holding this mic. I was completely clueless. And Prabhas actually helped me get my move right. And when I shot for it, I could only, you know, secretly thank him for being there for me. I actually knocked at his door and said, "Can you teach me how to move this sword? I don't know how to move this sword." So he actually taught me. And I'd also like to thank Sendil sir. Sendil sir is a cinematographer. You know, as actors, we get time to rest when we are working. We get time off from work and we can sit and chill in the middle of shots. But two people who don't relax on a film set, one is the director and one is the cinematographer. Sendil sir, he made me look stunning. I could not believe it's me. And made it, you know, every time I had a small issue, I could go and contact him. And I could, you know, he was very, very forthcoming and very encouraging when I thought I couldn't do something. So these people mean a lot to me. Sweetie, I've always met her. She's the first heroine in the industry who actually helped me when I entered the film industry. Sorry, I'm taking so long. I just want to talk about all these people. When I entered the film industry, I didn't have a costume designer. I didn't know who to go to for costumes. So Sweetie was the first actress who came up to me, you know what, take my costume designer's number. You know, maybe she can help you. So, you know, it's very rare to see these kind of things, actually. Not many people come to help. So, yeah, that's about Sweetie. So, see, their names are Darling and Sweetie, so you can imagine what kind of people they are. The names are just perfectly apt for them. Let me see if I'm missing out. Karan, thank you so much. Without you, this launch could not be as grand as it is. And it couldn't have, for a film like this, nobody better than you. And we were so happy to hear that you're going to present this film. It means the world to us. Thank you. And Shobhu sir, who's this lovely gentleman sitting right next to me. He's the producer of the film. बहुत पैसे खर्च किए इन्होंने और बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत की है इन्होंने. And I think we've all become such good friends on the, it sounds so cliched, sorry, but we've just become really good friends on the film set. And I've forgotten about Rana, okay. Rana, the day I went on the film set, that first day when I wasn't on the film, I felt like a little dwarf next to him. I felt like a little puny little thing. And that's how, when he says that he was 25 kgs over what he is right now. So I felt like this. I was like, okay, Rana, good to have you, seeing you after really long. So yeah. And, but no, he, as Bhalala Deva, he is insane. He's extremely good looking, and the acting, of course, is something that people will watch. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Karan, on your left. All right, so we're gonna just very quickly, just last two questions now.
No, 1 minute. Firstly, thank you, Tamanna, for being the master of ceremonies today. And I really think that you found yourself an alternate profession, but you were wonderful and as gracious and sweet as you are. We're actually gonna, I just feel that you can tell the love, because imagine Hindi film industry doesn't have a sweetie or a darling at all. I think we also, our stars should also start giving in themselves these names, because it would just lead to the camaraderie. Very quickly, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like the producers to definitely have the final word, because I think without their support, like I said right at the start of this evening, that it takes a lot of courage for people to put their lives and their economics on this kind of vision. And I think no director is complete without the support of a producer. Shobhu, as I said, was the first gentleman I met after Rana on Bahubali, and thank you, Shobhu, and I'd like for you to just share your experience.
Hello, everyone. First of all, thanks, Karan, for having us here and present in the film. With regards to Bahubali, last 3-4 years have been, for me, nothing but Bahubali. I've been completely involved with the project, and it's been day and night with it. And when you're working with some very passionate people and some very committed people, like Rajamouli and the rest of the team and rest of the cast, it's really a joy, and it's a pleasure to be working, and we've learned so much in the entire thing. And I think and I hope this project will be a good success. Thank you.
Shobhu se mera sawal.
And Prasad, please say something. Say hello.
I'd like to thank Karan, Anil and the team at Dharma for presenting the film. And we need your support to take this film national. Thank you.
And Anil would like to sing a song now, right at the end.
From Student of the Year?
Yeah, from Student number 1.
It's always been amazing working with Karan, and now it's been even a better privilege to be working with Rajamouli and Prasad and Shobhu. So thanks for this opportunity, and I hope your vision and the success that you've thought of comes true.
Well, thank you. I'd like to thank everybody here. We're going to call this now, we're going to come to a close for this evening. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You've come in such large numbers, and I know you've come because you believed in cinema more than anything else, and I think that's what we're all here for. We're here really to push the envelope where it comes to cinema. So thank you for joining us, and thank you, sir. Thank you, Rajamouli, sir. Thank you for being a part of cinema and for making us all feel so proud today. Thank you very much.
Can I ask one question from Prabhas? One question from Prabhas.
You're saying so sweetly, ask that one last.
Please.
If you call him darling, then only.
Okay, he's like my son. I can call him darling.
Okay.
Karan,
Okay,
please.
Prabhas.
Karan, one more question to Prabhas, please. Karan,
No,
after me.
After
me.
Yes, after her.
Okay, Prabhas, since he's the presenter, Karan is the presenter of the film, and has he promised you a role? And also, does this mean to say that you are ready to give a tough competition to all the other Bollywood heroes and saying that Prabhas is here. Comment.
No, I didn't think so much like tough competition. Well, that's too much now. And what was the other question you asked? No. He didn't promise me anything. Thank you.
Okay, I'm here. One question to, anyhow he's holding the mic, one question to Prabhas. Please, I'm Prema from TV5 again. Prabhas and Bhallaladeva and Bahubali. I just have one question to both of you. 3 years you spent your time on Bahubali. And was it really a pressure on your head? Did at any point of time you felt that, oh God, can we continue like this for some more years? And was it possible, or somewhere you felt it was not possible?
Yeah, like maybe they shot with me in 380 or 50, I don't know. They shot with me more than nearly 300 days. After 250 days, I really got frustrated. Now I was like, Raj, I want to say, I didn't tell him, but I was like, Raj, now it's enough. We'll see, we'll watch the film. Whatever it's done, just show it. Yeah, one sec.
Well, the first time he told me the story, and I knew I had to give a large part of time, and I was not the hero of the film also. But then one thing I knew is this is the largest thing in cinema that I'd ever be part of, and I didn't know if anyone will ever make a film like this again. So which is why every day was a pleasure.
Yes, on my left. हे भगवान, मैं बस हे भगवान करके मैं हाथ जोड़ के विनती करता हूँ सबसे, मुझे शुद्धि के बारे में पूछना बंद करो। पता नहीं किस किस्म का नजर लग चुका है उस फिल्म पे, वो पिक्चर बनी ही नहीं क्योंकि ये सवाल का जवाब दे के मैं थक चुका, आप लोग थकते नहीं क्या? जब शुद्धि का मैं पोस्टर अनाउंस करूंगा ना, तब उसके बारे में बात होगी। मैं स्पेशली आई एम गोइंग टू हैव अ पोस्टर डिजाइन टू शो कि एक्चुअली इट्स अ रियलिटी एंड इट्स नॉट अ मिथ। थैंक यू वेरी मच लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन।